What's up YouTube? What's up y'all? My name is Rabbi Barry Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm doing a really quick tutorial on how to create slanted designs, like a very cool slanted text or whatever you're going to call it. So yeah, I have my workspace here. It was a 20 inches by 20 inches, but I just added I cropped it anyhow. So let me just get right into it. Okay, so first of all, let me draw a rectangle on the workspace like so. Then I'm going to choose a color. Yeah, okay, I was going in for black, but then you already have it. So yeah, let me add a little bit of like a textured background to it. I have a textured background here. Let me add it. And yeah, I think it's going to pass through camera raw first. Yeah, okay, so the image is in and it's a red leather like type of image. Okay, so I'm just going to open it like this, try and make sure it fills all the spaces. The only reason why I'm stretching it this way is because even after even after it has been stretched like this, you're still going to get a detail. So no worries. Then I'm going to set the blend mode to luminosity to have like a black and white type of thing. Then reduce the opacity to 35 or 18 or anything that you're going to let you see the details. Okay, now that I'm done, let me just start with the text. So with a slanted text, there's a thing to it, you understand? Like there's this kind of rule. In the just ended graphic design contest episode 11, I did like a quick type of I don't know if it was a tutorial or something. It was like a tip or something. Yeah. So with this, you're going to get your text. So I have my text here. I'm going to type in slant. So SLANT like so. Then you're going to choose the kind of font. For this, I want to use stretch because I mean stretch is the trending font for the year. So obviously, so let's go in for stretch. Then let me drag this into the middle like so. So now here is where the whole thing comes in. Understand? I'm going to first set the text to italic. So now we have the italic in place. Then I'm going to click on the transform controls at the edge here, rotate a little bit to the left, then hold control, click on the upper dot of the transform. You see this dot here, then drag to the right area, you understand, like so. If you want it as slanted as, I don't know, if you want it very, if you want the effect to be as huge as it should be, I mean, hold control, then drag them more. Try not to drag too much like this or like this. It's going to make the font look a little bit out of place, you understand? So something like this and you're good to go. Now you have to make sure this is what you want, you understand? This is the kind of slanted text you want to go in for, and if you're cool with it, then you click on enter. But then after you've clicked on enter, you can't come back to do any other changes. I don't know if there's anything like coming back to do any changes or whatever, but then what I know is after you've clicked enter here, right now I've clicked enter, you can't come back. Even if you can, it'll have to be like a different type of thing. See, right now I'm trying to edit again and now the transform controls have changed. Okay, so after you've done this, do not try to bring in another text, like creating another text like this, typing, let's say the slant. You see, now what did I just say? I've brought in, wow. You see, I just brought in a new text and I'm going to try and slant it the way that I did the first one, and you guys are going to see it's not going to be in place, you understand? It's going to have a different you see, there's a lot of changes in the first one and the second one. So what you're going to do is you're just going to duplicate the first one that you did. So in this case, I'm going to do slant design. That is what I'm going to type. So where's the design? Yes, slant design. And with this, you're going to have the same effect as the first one because you took the ID or you duplicated the design that you did from the first one, you understand? So yes, that is the rule about how do you call it, slanted design. So after you're done, if you want to add any touch-ups, drag, hold alternate and drag to duplicate. You can reduce the size and just type it. So let's say slant design and then add slant design idea or idealistic. Yes, something like this. And with this, I'm going to reduce the size to like something like this. Then I'm entering the character and open it up like so. Yes, so the whole idea behind slanting text is the first one that you're going to do is the one that you're going to use for all the other text. You understand? You don't have to create another one, just duplicate and go to go. So yes guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.